So now we figured out the height of this door, some gap above it and gap below it, threshold, which is, we still gotta cut that to fit, threshold height, the jam up here, and then some room for shimming and such. And we've made a mark right here. We've already determined where the side of the door is going to be. We're going to cut right beside those 2x that we knocked over, and then we'll shim those to fit. They have plenty of room. Now, although not surgery like a doctor with a great big exam lights and all that, we're going to use a Sawzall with a so violent. I got to actually cut through 10 on the other side. So I'm going to graduate and then go through the 10 and then cut all the way down, cut all the way across. I took a paddle bit and drilled some areas where I could start without having to work so hard at it, but I could have done it without that. And here I go making a bunch of noise and hurting my hearing, so eventually the world will be very quiet to me. Actually, you should use ear protection. I'm just making fun of myself. Self-deprecation is just one of my skills.
You haven't cut the bottom, yeah?
Yep, we're going to go outside and cut snips. The tin, they put some old tin on here. One of the reasons I had a hard time cutting through is not only did they put plywood here, they put 1x to fasten the tin to, and I don't know why they did that. Maybe to make it easier for the heat to dissipate, bugs to get from one side of the building to the other, highway, super highway. Anyway, we're going to go out there and cut that. Take this all the way down, cut this 2x here, and then remeasure and make sure, and then we'll put in a header. We'll take you along with us.